Welcome back to Quiz Booster. Today's fun quiz is a colorblind number guessing challenge with 4 levels, easy to expert. Are you ready for the challenge? Let's go.
Let's start with easy level. Can you spot the number in this image? Number 12. What number do you see? Number 6. Number 5. Number 1. What number do you see? Number 5. Can you tell what number this is? Number 26. Let's move to the medium level. What's the hidden number here? Number 25. What number do you see? Number 74. Number 29. Number 96. Can you spot the number in this image? Number 39. Now, it's time for hard level. What's the hidden number here? Number 26. What number do you see? Number 73. Number 45. Number 8. Can you spot the number in this image? Number 10. Can you pick out this number? Number 3. Number 12. Finally, we are on expert level. What's the hidden number here? Number 9. What number do you see? Number 66. Number 4. Number 7. Can you spot the number in this image? Number 3.
Comment your score and follow us for more.